Welcome to Discrete Learning Institute. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on the website. Okay, so what you need to do is just search for Discrete Learning Institute at discretelearning.com, sorry, on the Chrome or any other browser that you are using. Okay, so you can see discretelearning.com and then I'll click enter. So it will take me to the website. So this is the website here. Okay, but I do not have any account. So how do I create an account? So you click Start Learning Now. So Start Learning Now, and then it will bring you to this page. So if you already have an account, just put your email there and your password there, and then log in. If you do not have, go on the Create Account there. So I'll go create an account. Okay, and then here now I'll put my new details. So I'll put the name there. So my name is, let's say, Paul. And then the last name is Solutions. Okay, so I've written that, and then here now I can add my email. Okay, so I'll add another email here. So add my email, I've pasted it there. So make sure at the end there, you've seen where the .com is ending. Make sure there's no space there, because sometimes if you're copy pasting your email, it will have a space at the end like this. So if there's a space like that, then the system is going to fail to register that email. So make sure there's no space there. So just go back there so that thing that is doing like dim light is immediately after the M for your .com for your email. Then here I'm going to put my password. So the password should have words in it. So if you just put numbers there, it's going to refuse. Okay. So you put a word with some numbers. So let's say I'll just put Paul 1, 2, 3, 4. I've created the account and that's the email. Here you put your phone number. Okay, so I'm just going to add my phone number there. Here you put the date of birth. So Pemuna Badwa you put here. So for example, me, let's say I was born in uh, 2017 on the 11th of January. I put my date of birth. There you are going to select your university. Okay. There you are going to select your university. So if you're from UNZA, you select UNZA. If you're from CBU, you select CBU. If you're from Mulungushi, select Mulungushi, just like that. Okay. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to select UNZA. Okay. So you've seen that we've filled in all the things that are required: the name, last name, email, password, phone number, date of birth, and then the university. And then the next thing to do is just to click register. Okay, so the account has been registered. Your Google account will ask you if you want to save that account so that you can log in easily. Okay, but if you don't want, just click on this X there like that. Okay, so now once you create your account, you can now come here and log in. So I'll just say the email that I had created the account with was discretelearning.com. The password that I had put was 4123. Okay, and then you log in. The password has refused. Okay, so one Paul, and then 1234. Okay, and then I click login. Okay, so you can see I've logged in. Again, your Google account may ask you to save the password so that you can be logging in easily. If you want to save, click on save. If you don't want, click cancel there. Okay, so now this is my account. You can see here, Tutor Paul Solutions. I'm a student and I'm from what? UNZA. Okay, so now notice that here, okay, come here. So if I'm here, you can see there's home, learn, YouTube channels, study materials, notification, and profile. So notice that there is no icon for WhatsApp groups. Okay, so the icon for WhatsApp groups here is going to appear once you make a payment, you register for a certain course. Okay, so if I go down here, you can see that on all the courses, there's not enrolled, not enrolled, not enrolled, not enrolled. So if I register for one course, okay, if I register for one course, then the icon for joining the WhatsApp group is going to appear here. So we are going to be using that icon for the WhatsApp group to join the WhatsApp, to join the registered group. Okay, so let's say, for example, we want to register now. Okay, I want to register for a course. Okay, so let's say I want to register for which course? Okay, let's say I want to register for, go down here. I want to register for variable calculus. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just click on view course. Okay, once I'm here, it's going to show me that you are not enrolled in this course. So just click subscribe. Okay, and then here, I'm going to choose the course again. So that was variable calculus or any course of your choice. So I want to register for this course. So I'll click on it. Okay. So when I click on it, it will ask me to choose the duration here. So depending on the duration that you want to register it for, you can choose 2 months, you register in advance, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 1 year on any of these. Okay, so I'll just click 1 month and then I'll go back here on top to go on this part that says proceed to pay. So here I'm using the PC. So the proceed to pay is on top. But if you're using the phone, once you select a course, the proceed to pay is going to be down here. So just scroll down and then you'll find it at the end there. There will be proceed to pay. So you click on the proceed to pay, okay? But on the PC, it will be appearing there. So I'll just click proceed to pay there. Okay, and then it will show me the details. So the cost that I want, the amount that I'm going to pay, and then to show me at pay here. So on the pay here, it's going to bring this kind of thing. So here you're going to put the mobile number of the person, uh, the mobile number that has the money, okay? Your mobile number that has the money, you're going to put the number there. Or if you're paying through an agent, maybe Whopper Booth, okay, you can put their number there and then you click pay now. So once you click pay now, okay, this thing is going to appear here. And once this thing appears, okay, you are going to receive a prompt on your phone to put the PIN for the mobile account. So once you put the PIN, then you would have registered for the course. Okay, so let me just put the PIN on my phone. Okay, so I've put the password on my phone and then I'll just say go to courses. Okay, so these are the courses here. So I'll just scroll down now to see if it has been registered. So I'll just go to home here and then let me scroll down to see if it has been registered. So if I scroll down now, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, you're going to see that the course now says enrolled. Okay, so I've paid for this course. So if I want to open it, I'll just click on it. Okay, and then you see the folders there. So if I want the tutorial sheets, I can maybe go in this folder, summarize notes, that folder, past papers, that folder, depending on the course that you've registered for and its arrangement. Okay, so if, for example, you registered for a second year course and you're at UNZA, you can go to second year math registered. So just click on it to join the registered group, and then you click open WhatsApp. So it's going to bring this link and then you click join group. So that will allow you to join the group. And then whenever we send a live link to any lesson, you'll be able to join that class. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can join the registered WhatsApp group. So yes, so that's how we can create an account and that's how we can register and start learning on the Discrete Learning Institute platforms. All right, so thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.